Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Tom here. He's got the nice Paul Harding Packers jersey. We're going to go live. We are live. Doesn't want to show me a time. Okay, well this is all timestamp, so we're live 8:45 p.m. I tried to click it here, but it's not showing me the time. So we are live. We are going to grab the list. Top here, 10 at 475. Drop the list into random. 10 entries. Michael on top, Larry on the bottom. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, that's not high enough. We're going to roll again. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Fred. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with Tom and collect your jersey. We are done. 8:46 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 8:46 p.m. 8:46 p.m.